Happy morning, children. It's biology 12th standard class. Let me explain to you about the reduced portion for chapter 6, principles of ecology. Your first revision timetable is given and the portion is from lesson 6 to 10. So let's look into the reduced portion of lesson 6, that is principles of ecology. So you got the outline, chapters outline, the introductory part is there, and the ecology, what is ecology and the definitions of ecology is there. And 6.1.2 ecological hierarchy, this hierarchy is there and it is a 2-mark question followed by branches of ecology. It is deleted. So 6.1.3 is deleted. Then 6.1.4 is there, habit and niche. Okay, habit, niche, and the differentiation is given on the in the timetable, in the table there. And then you got, do you know, learn these boxes. Coming to 6.1.5 ecological equivalent, it is there with the example. So it is again a 2-mark question. You have to write what it is and explain with the example. Then coming to 6.2 ecological factors, we don't have. This factor is divided into climatical, adaptic, topographic and biotic. Of this, the climatic factor is completely removed. So 6.2.1 you don't have for your lessons. It is a reduced portion. Then coming to second one of it is a thermal stratification. So thermal stratification you got with the diagram there and it is followed with the temperature. Then coming to effects of temperature with the timber line and tree line. So all those things are included. And third topic is water. Water is also inside the syllabus with the terminologies are given there and examples are mentioned. Then wind is reduced. Wind is reduced and effects of wind is reduced. But you will have this greenhouse effect, albedo effect, that is in do you know box. So you learn this, you may get it for your 2-mark questions. Then fire is also a reduced portion. And in fire, right term is there, it is in the box. So you learn it, you may get it for your 2-mark questions. Then 6.2.2 is a adaptic factor. So adaptic factor consists of soil formation, types of soil, and this topic is there with the soil profile. So learn all this. This is included in your portion. Then coming to 6.2.3 topographic factor. Okay, topographic factors will be learning about latitude and altitudes, directions of the mountain, steepness of the mountain. So all these topics are there with the ecotone and edge effects. Then coming to biotic factors. Biotic factor, the entire topic is there with positive interactions, mutualism with the example, then commensalism, and you got epiphytes, negative interactions, you have predators, the examples are given. Then coming to parasites, the holoparasite and the hemiparasite is given. Then followed by the competitions taking place between interspecific competition and intraspecific competition, and this mimicry, memorophily and co-evolution, all these topics are included. Then coming to 6.3 ecological adaptations. Here you got hydrophytes. What are the types of hydrophytes? Their morphological adaptations, then anatomical adaptation. The second one is xerophytes. The types of xerophytes are explained. They followed by morphological adaptations, then anatomical adaptations, and the physiological adaptation. The third one is mesophyte. Okay, mesophyte. The mesophyte types is not there, only one thing, which is followed by morphological, anatomical and physiological. So with this, the topic is over for your 6th lesson. The remaining halophytes and seed dispersion, all those topics are not for you. So learn, first mark the revised portion in your textbook and learn the answers according to it. If we go to a question back, book of the evaluation, ecology, it is, the topic is there, ecological hierarchy, ecological equivalent, habit and niche, eurythermal and stenoalens, algae and this phytoremediation, albedo effects, And all this is regarding the soil profile. Okay, soil formation, suitable soil, mutual relationship, like and mutualism, and this parasitism, predations, archids, about the water. This water question, water is actually removed, but this question you may get it as a general question because it's related with water. You can write it as a general question. Then about submerged plant, vivipary you don't have because it comes under halophytes. It is a removed portion. So if you take the question answers, almost all questions are included. Thermal stratification, rectiderms, and myrmecophily is there, and seed ball is reduced. Anemochory differ from zoochory is taken away, and co-evaluation is there, and Ranke's classification is there. Effects of fire is removed. It is reduced portion. Soil profile, types of parasitism, hydrophytes, anatomical adaptation of xerophytes, they are in the syllabus. Then the halophytes, seed dispersal and fruit dispersal questions is coming under the reduced portion. So with this we have discussed the reduced portions and the question answers. Kindly follow this and prepare well for your Friday exam. Thank you, children.